What's good, YouTube fam? It's your boy Jason. We hopping right back in with another video. I hope you guys are doing wonderful. I'm doing amazing. This is going to be part 2 of the Subaru build series. We're getting ready to head straight to the shop and get at it, so you guys just kick it with us for a little bit. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, ignore the wind beating the door, but check it out. We got the boost controller situated and plumbed in. Only thing left to do for that bad boy is the wiring. Gotta swap that to a Deutsch connector to connect, and then be good to go. Tuner finally sent in the proper adapters for the injectors, and now they're all in there, situated in their new little homes. So up next is taking this front bumper off and getting it ready to start working on the front mount. So keep kicking it with us. Shit they don't tell you in the video about the stuff they cut, we gotta cut it now, so hold up. Okay, so I don't know what happened, but the tool, this decided to exit the chat, so we're gonna have to move on to the Dremel. Might take a little bit longer, but we're gonna get it done. Take number 2. Take number 3. Okay, take number 4, thing, action. That rust protection, you know. Okay, after 1 hour of cutting and grinding, it no longer smacks right here. So, fit number 69, take number 134, action. Okay guys, I know it's hard to see, but that's the stuff you have to trim off, but they don't show you in the install video. So it fits without smacking the back of the intercooler. But like I said, it's fixed now. The homie Luke is coming in clutch with the Dremel after the air tool decided to explode. And here y'all go, little sneak peek, looking good. Alright guys, that's going to do it for day 4 of the Subaru build. We got a lot accomplished today. Got the injectors buttoned up with the right adapters. Got the front mount core put on. Had to do some cutting there, pain in the ass, but that's done. We also got the boost controller plumbed in. I don't know if y'all can see that. There we go, all nice and plumbed in, pretty. So you guys just keep kicking it with us, and we'll be back for another day. What's up guys, it's day 5 of the Subaru build. We're getting right back into it. Just got the battery put back in so we can turn the ignition over to see if these new injectors leak and if the fuel pump works. So let's hop in there and take care of that right now. Alright, there we go. Ooh, I heard that DeatschWerks fuel pump kicking on. Let's go see what we got going on up here. My guys can't see down there, but it's dry on both sides. Let's go. Now that we know that the injectors do not leak, we're going to get the air box loosely put back in so we can start plumbing up the intercooler piping. So, wish us luck. Well guys, that's going to do it for day 5 of the Subaru build. We have the cold side of the front mount intercooler plumbed in, as well as getting the blow off valve reinstalled. Super nice, super nice. Gotta wait on the STI style front mount intercooler turbo outlet pipe thingy that did not come with the kit. That'll be here in a couple days, then we can get the hot side plumbed in. So kick back, relax, and by the time you guys see the next thing, that shit'll have showed up.
The next day.
What's up YouTube fam? It's your boy Jason. We hopping back in. Same video, different day. This is technically day 7 of the Subaru build. Yesterday we popped in and cut the bumper up and got it fitted up. I didn't talk much. We were in a hurry. The wife and little man was with me, so I was kind of playing with him in between doing stuff with Lucas. So we're gonna hop right back in it today. Lucas just pulled up, so let's get started. Oh, there she is. Okay. Let's see if it fits. Yeah, you like it, Thea? Look good? I think it looks real good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, haven't picked the camera up much today. Been trying to help Lucas wrench on some shit, get stuff done, and that we have. We have gotten the intercooler fully plumbed in, all nice and pretty. Got the intake put back in, looking very nice. Didn't have to cut it. I mean, it's so close, but we didn't have to cut it, luckily. So we'll take a win when we can get one. Well guys, that's going to do it for day 6 and 7 of the Subaru build. We've got the intercooler completely plumbed up, intake put back in, bumper cut, ready to go back on. Gonna wait till we throw it back on the lift one last time to put that back. Everything's getting there. Only thing left we got to do, we're going to swap from the Mac boost controller to a Cobb boost controller. That'll be here tomorrow, so we're going to do that. Then our oil pressure gauge is on delivery, but then the only thing left to do, boost controller and gauges, and then she'll be ready to tune. Let's get it. You guys, hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time.